Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today I will review about TVS iQube electric scooter. Price. Currently, the TVS iQube comes in two variants, standard which comes in three colors, pearl white, shining red and titanium gray, and S which gets four colors, lucid yellow, mercury gray, mint blue and copper bronze glossy. The standard iQube is priced at 99,130 rupees while the more premium iQube S costs Rs 104,123. The top spec iQube ST's price, however, is yet to be revealed by TVS. Features. The iQube series of e-scooters feature an all-LED lighting system and a TFT instrument console with smartphone connectivity through SmartSonic app. Its other features include navigation, geofencing, distance to empty, charge status, ride statistics, and an overspeed alert. The standard variant gets a 5-inch display, while the S variant houses a 7-inch unit. It also gets a 5-way joystick on the left switchgear for navigation through the menu. The top spec ST model comes with a 7-inch touchscreen display alongside a joystick. Adding to the usability, TVS also offers USB charging support and a boot light as standard. The iQube and iQube S come with a 17-liter boot space while the high-end ST variant gets a larger 32-liter storage space. Motor. The TVS iQube is powered by a hub-mounted, 3 kW motor that puts out a peak power rating of 4.4 kW. According to TVS, the standard and S variants have a top speed of 78 km per hour while the ST can achieve a claimed 82 km per hour top speed. All variants are claimed to do a 0 to 40 km per hour run in 4.2 seconds. The iQube features two riding modes, Eco and Power. The motor is powered by a 3.04 kWh lithium-ion battery pack on the standard and S trims while the ST is supposed to arrive with a larger 4.56 kWh battery pack. The standard and S variants get a claimed range of 100 km, Eco mode, and 75 km, Power mode. On the other hand, the ST model comes with a claimed real-world range of 145 km, Eco, and 110 km, Power. The standard and S variants come with a 650W charger, taking 4.5 hours for a full charge, while the ST variant comes with two options between a 950W or a 1.5 kW charger, taking a little over 4 hours or 2.5 hours, for a full charge, respectively. Suspension and brakes. The TVS iQube is built on an underbone tubular frame suspended on a telescopic front fork and preload adjustable twin rear shocks. Brakes on all variants include a 220mm disc up front and a 130mm drum at the rear. The e-scooter rolls on 12-inch alloy wheels on both ends, wrapped in 90-section tubeless tires. The standard variant of the electric scooter weighs 117.2 kilograms, whereas the S and ST variants weigh 118.8 kilograms and 128 kilograms respectively. Rivals. TVS iQube competes against the likes of other premium e-scooters like the Ather 450X, Ola S1, Bajaj Chetak, Revolt RV400, Hero Vita V1, Ola S1 Pro and the Simple One. TVS iQube electric scooter specifications. Range 145 km per charge. Motor power 4400 W. Motor type BLDC. Front brake disc. Rear brake drum. Body type electric bikes. Thank you for watching my video.